Optus Mobile Operator Review Usage Experience. Links to Optus plans and products are in the description. Optus is one of Australia's leading mobile operators, offering nationwide coverage, competitive pricing, and various plans for individuals, families, and businesses. It runs on a strong 4G network with expanding 5G coverage in major cities. Data speeds are solid, with real-world performance averaging between 15 to 300 Mbps on 5G, depending on location. Optus provides unlimited standard calls and texts on most plans, with data rollover on eligible prepaid options. Postpaid plans come with perks like Optus Sport and international roaming add-ons. Their customer service is decent, with a mix of online support, in-store help, and phone assistance. The My Optus app is user-friendly, making it easy to manage usage, pay bills, or switch plans. The network is ideal for users looking for good value without sacrificing speed or reliability. However, rural coverage can sometimes lag behind Telstra, making it less ideal for those in remote areas. If you need a balance between price and performance, Optus is a strong choice. Their prepaid plans cater to budget-conscious users, while postpaid options suit heavy data users and those who travel frequently. Overall, Optus delivers solid connectivity, competitive pricing, and useful extras. If you're considering switching, check their coverage in your area and pick a plan that suits your needs. Links to Optus plans are in the description.